One TV News Break.
Samtang nga mga meeting sa IP tribal leader sa Osamis, wala na gitunga sa city chieftain. Daw mga anak nga giabandonar kon giabandonar sa ilang ginikanan ang pamati sa napulo og usa ka mga tribal leader sa dakbayan sa Osamis. Matud pa ni Indigenous People Affairs Committee Chair Honorable Denki Suiso, atol sa ulayang regular session sa konseho nga kini karon ang gikabalak-an sa mga tribal leader kung interesado pa ba ang ilang city chieftain nga si Bai Relinda Bation nga panguluhan ang IP community sa Osamis. Tumikan kay tulo na ka meetingan nga wala kini makatambong. Wala gito nga ang quarterly meeting, partikular sa third and last quarter sa mayagi nga tuig. Sa walay piho nga rason, ingod man ang meeting niadtong Enero 28 nining tuiga, gumikan kay adunay matud pa kini giapilan nga imbitasyon sa IP provincial. Gusto sa mayoryang tribal leader ning syudad nga makaapil og regular meeting si Bai Relinda Bation aron sa tuyo nga matuki ang mahitungod sa IP cooperative, IP women's program og ang nagpadayong concern sa ancestral domain og ang Barangay Indigenous People Mandatory Representative.
Out of 11 tribal leaders of the city, 9 were present during their tribal meeting conference. Unfortunately, the chieftain were not around due to a commitment at the provincial office, but the reason that these 9 chieftains would like to call for a meeting because I think they need to have it because the last quarter of last year and the third quarter there were no activities conducted or even a meeting called upon by the chieftain leader Relinda Bation, and they feel they were abandoned or that taken care of. So that is why according to the rules that among themselves they could convene themselves for a meeting, and it would be very important that the leader, their chieftain Relinda, will be around, but sad to say she was not around. So I think they will be calling again another meeting for their chieftain to be around, and in fact it should be the chieftain who should be initiated the said meeting so that they could have the agenda on Subanan cooperatives, the Subanan women, ancestral domain concerns, and barangay IPMR concerns. These are the agenda for the supposedly meeting that supposedly initiated by the chieftain Relinda. So probably they will call another meeting. Hopefully, chieftain Relinda will be present during their meeting. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your information.
One TV News Break.